What's up, everybody? Welcome back. My name is Julian McClurkin, your chief storyteller with Tribevest. Today, we're going to talk to Paul Martinchuck. Paul is open to any kind of investment. Today, we're going to show you how his tribe of 18 were able to 2x their investment. All that and more on today's episode. I want to get into your story first. Who are you? Where are you from? And also, how did you get started in investing?
Hey, great to be on. My name's Paul Martinchuck. Currently, I'm a CFO at a tech startup, venture capital backed. But prior to that, I was in finance and in healthcare. I'm not married to any one particular asset class. I think with me, we look for really the best, highest risk-adjusted returns wherever they come from, whether it's notes, whether it's real estate, whether it's venture, even though venture is long-term and risky, but really just looking for great, cool deals all over the place.
So Paul, for the viewers that don't know, can you kind of define what venture capital really is?
So essentially, I'm part of a couple of groups that get access to startup deals. There are startup companies that are getting funded in rounds A, B, C, D, what have you. And they're looking for money. And typically there's minimums. Approximately $250,000 minimum to invest into various rounds and what have you. And so what I mean by getting involved in tech startup investing that are venture capital backed would be getting into those types of deals and typically going in together with a network of individuals so that no one individual is putting in 250 grand, usually going in with substantially smaller checks so that we could form a group, a tribe, an SPV, and invest into those types of deals. Was that responsive?
Yes, very much so. So you were doing these SPVs before you linked up with Tribevest?
Yes, I was doing that as well. And I linked up with Tribevest actually not for one of those venture-backed deals, but we did a deal focused on a convertible note ahead of a crowdfunding offering for a public company.
Interesting. Can you kind of dissect what convertible notes are?
What you're doing is you're buying a note. So essentially you're giving a company a loan, but as a note holder, as a lender, you have a right to convert in and become an equity holder 6 months after the note is issued. This convertible note, if all goes well, will end up converting into equity close to 2.5, maybe 3x of the original investment, which means you get to 2.5x your money in less than a year or so, which is pretty darn unheard of.
Can you tell me a little bit more about your tribe mates?
So in our tribe, we have folks that are doctors, business owners, an attorney, a Google senior software engineer. So it's really individuals from all walks of life, but who are looking to take ownership of their financial success.
Well, if you're looking for another tribe member, I would love to start learning how to invest in notes.
We're considering another startup investment right now that has incredible upside.
Where can people find you? Can you kind of give us some of your socials and best places they can look for you at?
Sure. I think probably the best place to look for me would be on LinkedIn. I'm the only one with my name and my last name. And reach out and I'd be glad to connect.
Huge thank you to Paul. To find out more about how you can start your very own tribe, go to tribevest.com. Until next time, I'll see you next tribe.